Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 27 Kingsford Close here in Woodley. My name is Gary WhiteKnights and I shall be giving you the tour. So what we have here is a 3-bedroom detached, originally built by Bryant Homes. This is the Cranmore style, which for those of you that know, it does mean that we have 3 really good sized bedrooms with this style. This house also, as you can see from the front, has got an extended driveway, so parking for 3 cars for sure. I think the real feature of this house though is the location. Let me just spin round because we're right at the end of a cul-de-sac here, and I'm just going to point there because, excuse the sun coming into the lens, because beside the car there's a gateway just for a path for walking, not vehicle access, but that takes you straight into Dinton pastures. So really nice walks with the lake then beyond. So lovely location right at the end of a cul-de-sac and adjoining the land of Dinton pastures. I'm just going to spin round and show you that's where we've come into the cul-de-sac from Colmansmoor Road. So let's make our way to the house and give you a tour round. So we're in the lounge of the property, which is at the front. You can see immediately a wood effect laminate flooring there, quite a nice finish. And if I just spin round, you'll notice at the front a sort of recess where the window is. So it's UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows for this property. There's the front door where I've just come in. Try and give you a view of the front. The sun is unfortunately coming into the lens, so it might not be possible. Hopefully you can see something there, but a very private aspect at the front of this house. Another view of the lounge there. Door ahead of us takes you into the kitchen diner, and a door here takes you into an inner hallway. I've got the door open just to make the tour a bit easier. You can see the staircase behind that doorway takes you to the first floor. There's a door to the downstairs WC just here. There's a wash basin behind this door as well. And on the right hand side here is a door that takes you into the garage. I'll show you the garage in just a moment, but for the moment let's just spin round and show you the kitchen dining room. First of all, dining area to the left. You'll notice the flooring flows through from the lounge. It's the wood effect laminate flooring. Very nice. And we've got a UPVC double glazed window with a matching door there to the garden. Just give you an idea of what the view's like from the garden, because it's actually very private. There you go. It's really quite pleasant. Back into the kitchen dining room now. So we've got the dining area here, as I mentioned to you, and then opening into the kitchen area. So kitchen area with white units, granite effect work surfaces, as you can see. Lots of eye level units there. Base units. There's the sink under the window. The cupboard here, this large cupboard, I'm going to open this up because this houses the gas-fired boiler. There you go, it's a Valiant boiler. And the kitchen area has a slightly different tiled flooring, as you can see. So that's the kitchen. Now let's show you the integral garage. So we've got a door straight from the house into it, so it makes it much more convenient for storage. Equally, a lot of people will convert the garage, maybe half of it or the whole, put a window on the front. Lots of potential though. Alternatively, just used for storage, maybe a car. It's just a garage being integral, and access to the house just gives it more potential. So that's the ground floor. Let's now make our way upstairs and show you the first floor. On the first floor now, there's the turning staircase in front that came from the inner hallway. You can see we've got quite a large half landing window there. And I'm just going to point up because we've got access to the loft space just above my head there. So, like I mentioned earlier, the Cranmore style. This house has really good sized bedrooms. And main bedroom. Double bed in situ, so you can really get a good idea of the space that we have. We've got built-in wardrobes, sorry, not built-in, freestanding wardrobes there, but lots of space for them. And space on the right-hand side here as well for more furniture. You can see the front window with the radiator beneath. So that's one really good sized double bedroom. And then spinning round to the room at the back here, again, a double bedroom with more space for furniture, as you can see. I'll just step into the room here, give you an idea of the view out the back. You can see well screened from the houses at the back by trees. And in this room, we do have a built-in wardrobe in the corner just there. And then last but not least, the third bedroom. Now, this is different. A lot of third bedrooms are slightly more like box rooms. Not here. This is a really good sized third bedroom. Hopefully the camera angle will show you. And we've got a sort of settee there, which is a sofa bed. I have seen double beds in this style of house in the third bedroom, but really good sized third bedroom with a front window there and the radiator. So that's 3 bedrooms. Moving over here now, we've got built-in airing cupboard in front of us on the landing, and then the bathroom. So this is a white suite. We've got a panel bath here with a shower end, curved shower end, as you can probably see, with a curved glass shower screen. Let me just step in and show you the, this is a power shower, Aqualiza, I believe. So a nice power shower over the bath with the curved end, there you go. And then tile surround, as you can see, and then here we have a wash basin with a cupboard under, sort of inset into a, looks like a sort of marbly style worktop there, low level WC, and then just on my left here there's a heated towel rail, and the rear aspect window, UPVC double glazed again. So that's the bathroom. And the first floor finished. Let's now take you into the rear garden. So through the door here from the dining area into the garden, you can see we've got a full width patio here first of all. Let's just spin around the other way and show you the patio at the other end. Just to the right of the barbecue, you can see there, that's the side access taking you to the front. And then the rest of the garden, later lawn, surrounded by nice mature hedges, and as you can see, well screened there by the trees. And then there's a further decked patio, as you can see there. I'm just going to spin round further. This side of the house, excuse the sort of items stored, but a great storage area. You can see we've got a shed in the corner there. Good fencing. Interestingly, the actual boundary of this property from the front, as it moves towards the rear boundary, the plot actually gets wider. So it does make this this garden quite a reasonable size as well. And then I'm going to step over the grass onto the deck patio and then just show you the back of the house. Okay, so that concludes the tour of this house. If you'd like to know more details, do ask for myself when you call. My name's Gary. Alternatively, just request your viewing appointment and I look forward to showing you around. Thanks for watching.